How to fix address not found on Gmail. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix address not found on Gmail. Now sometimes when you're sending an email to a certain person and you happen to get the email back with an indication that the address not found. This usually happens when you have entered the wrong email address. Now let's take for example, in my case, when I go to the Gmail, when I open up the Gmail, so as you can see, this is the one. Now here you could see address not found. So here this is the one. Your message wasn't delivered to the particular email address because the address could not be found or is unable to receive the message. That means the email address that you've typed in is not available, that does not actually exist. So what you need to do is you have to make sure to check the information or the recipient's information. So here you might have entered the wrong address. So what you need to do is if you have entered the wrong email address, then you just tap on the three dot icon and click the forward button. Now go ahead and make sure to type in the correct email address. Make sure to check word by word, and that could be able to fix the issue all at once. Basically you have to check the spelling, or you just have to check any missing characters or number. It is recommended to copy paste the recipient email address directly to the email itself. So when you receive a recipient's email address, you just make sure to select it first of all, just like this. Let's say this is the one, and then make sure to just drag the cursor to the email address and click the copy button. Once you do it, so you should be able to fix the address not found on Gmail issue as well. And sometimes you could also try updating your application. It could be able to fix it. So go to your Play Store or an App Store and check for an update. So here you want to type in Gmail and see whether the application needs to be updated or not. That could be able to solve the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix address not found on Gmail. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.